Hi, I'm Keiko Kira, co-founder of Keiko Furoshiki, and I'm so happy to invite you to this special insider program training. Whether you are a professional gift wrapper, stylist, or run a store, this webinar was created just for you. In this session, you'll learn about the rich history of Furoshiki, practical wrapping tips for different gifts and recipients, and 5 foundational techniques that will elevate your skill set and delight your clients. We'll also walk through the perks of being an insider. So let's dive in. Furoshiki, meaning bath spread, began in Japanese bathhouses centuries ago to bundle belongings. But over time, these square cloths evolved into tools of beauty and function, used to wrap, carry, and present everything from lunch to luxury goods. Today, Furoshiki are part of the global movement towards reusable, meaningful packaging. At Keiko Furoshiki, we design prints that honor Japanese aesthetics with a modern, joyful twist, making every gift more memorable and more sustainable. Wondering what kinds of gifts are ideal for Furoshiki? Furoshiki is perfect for books, boxes and jars, bottles of wine or specialty oils, accessories, fabric goods, or handmade items. And who loves them? Eco-conscious clients, people who appreciate artisan goods, gift givers who want something more meaningful than throwaway paper. When you wrap with Furoshiki, you're giving 2 gifts, the item inside and the wrap itself. Once a gift is unwrapped, the Furoshiki can be reused again as gift wrapping, to make an evening bag, as a wearable fashion accessory, or as a home decor itself. There are so many uses for Furoshiki, even though for now we are focusing on gift wrapping. Ever wonder why your bows sometimes face sideways? That's because there is a traditional right way to tie a symmetrical knot. In Japan, this is called the mamusubi, or true knot. This knot is the foundation of most Furoshiki styles. It lies flat, holds securely, and creates perfectly aligned bows when done properly. Bring 2 opposite corners together. Cross the right over the left, loop under and pull. Now reverse, left over the right, loop under and pull. Yotsumusubi or 4-tie wrap is great for rectangular boxes. It uses 2 mamusubi knots to secure and style your wrap. Place the gift in the center. Tie 2 opposite corners into a mamusubi knot. Tie the remaining corners into a second mamusubi knot. Adjust both knots to lay flat, or angle them for visual balance. Why it works? It's secure, symmetrical, and visually pleasing, especially for minimalist designs. Hanatsutsumi means flower wrap, and this is where your wrap becomes a centerpiece. Place your Furoshiki print side down, one corner facing you. Center your gift. Gather the nearest and opposite corners, bring them up together. Repeat with the side corners so all 4 ends meet above the gift. Tie the ends together with a small elastic band. Flip each corner over to the outside and tuck under the elastic to form petals. Flap and shape into a full flower. If the petals look uneven, adjust how far you tuck and fan each flap. Symmetry takes a bit of shaping. Let's wrap a wine bottle in style using the bin tsutsumi technique. Bin means bottle and tsutsumi means wrap. This creates a classic gift presentation with a bow and secure base. Lay your Furoshiki flat pattern down, center the bottle on the fabric. Tie a double knot with the corner nearest you and the one opposite. Spread the two side corners like wings. Wrap one wing around the back, pull it to the front. Repeat with the second wing. Tie both ends together in the front into a decorative bow. This should sit just above the neck of the bottle. It's beautiful and practical, no tape, no box, just elegance. This is a modern twist, literally, on the tesage bukuro, handbag wrap. It's both functional and stylish, perfect for creating a cute gift bag or carry-all. Lay out your Furoshiki pattern side up. Fold into a triangle by bringing two corners together. Tie a base knot with the triangle tips, forming the bag bottom. Flip it over so the pattern faces out again. Tie the remaining corners together to make handles. Twist each handle and secure with a double knot for a sturdy grip. The twisted handles add a modern look while making the wrap easier to carry. Plus, it holds the shape of the bag. That's just a sampling. On our YouTube channel, you'll find tutorials, seasonal wrapping ideas, styling tips, and cultural context. And on our blog, we dive deeper into occasions and holiday gifting, how to care for your wraps, and Furoshiki's roots in Japanese culture. As a Keiko Furoshiki insider, you'll also receive early access to new designs and collections, professional discounts and bulk pricing, feature opportunities on our socials, insider-only trainings and virtual events, promo tools to help you sell or share Furoshiki in your own business. If you're not yet a member, it's easy and free to join. Visit keikofuroshiki.com/pages/insiders to sign up. Thank you so much for joining me today. Furoshiki isn't just a way to wrap gifts. It is a way to wrap your values, your creativity, and your care into something tangible. Whether you use these wraps in your business, your store, or your personal life, we hope you feel empowered to share this beautiful tradition with the world. Stay creative, stay mindful, and keep wrapping joyfully. See you next time.